bought this new helmet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel Sandy Driven by Nature. I hope you guys are doing great like me. Today we are going to a place called Vizag Colony, that too with my friends. This is the first trip I'm going with my friends on the bike. They're on my left. So we started off around 5 in the evening. Actually our plan was to start off around 2, but due to rain it got delayed and we started off around 5 o'clock. And by the time we reached our destination, it was 9. It was pretty dark over there and it was a little scary. As it was night, it was a little hard to find a stay place over there because there is no official stay place. So somehow we managed. We asked a family who are staying in the outskirts of the village. Luckily, they provided shelter for that night. It was so kind of them. And the view from their place is awesome. You won't believe it. I will show it in the next clip. Finally, we reached the destination around 9 p.m. You can see the board in front of me. This was the roof they offered us. You can't see anything as it was night, but the view from here is breathtaking. Just enjoy the night sky. This is the next day morning from the stay place, and you can hear the birds singing in the background. They're so cute and overwhelming, and you have a beautiful mountains in front of you. They will make you fall in love with them. You can't help it. Let's enjoy the view. Here we go guys, we started off the day. We are leaving from the stay place and we are entering into the village from the other side, and from now the camera will be revolving around these beautiful mountains.
ఐలాండ్ అదేమో బ్యూటిఫుల్ పోవాలరా. స్తంభాలు మునిగిపోయినాయి రేడా. అమ్మో బాగానే లోతుంది.
This is the village which we are talking from the starting of the video. It's called Vizag Colony. The name is very interesting because Vizag is a city name which is located in Andhra Pradesh state. Many years ago, people from there moved here for boating and fishing purpose. So, as there are many people in this village, they named it as Vizag Colony. This village has approximately 300 to 350 families, and most of them depend upon fishing. Fishing is their bread and butter, and the other people depends upon business like ration, tea centers, and tiffin centers, and mainly cooking because it's a tourist place, and everyone who visits this place wants to eat fish. And you don't have to worry about it. Like anyone can cook fish for you. You just have to ask it. That's it. And our plan for the day is boating, which is the reason we came to this place. And actually, boating is not so official over here. Few days they run it, few days they won't. I don't know why, but most of the time they will run it. They won't upset the customers. Trust me on that. And let's see. Let's explore the village. Actually, we are looking for the morning tea with the beach view, but we couldn't find it. Somehow we adjusted in the shop, which is on the right side. Now you can see it. But we thought of going to the main center and see how it looks like in the morning. So we went to the main center. Somehow we got this dude who is taking us for the boat ride, and we were very happy. And the boat ride is so exciting. Take a look at it. After the exciting boat ride, we started exploring local places like a temple on a mountain and a hilltop view. From now, we will leave these roads and get into the forest path. It's going to be adventurous. Stay tuned. If you clearly observe, there is a temple on that mountain. Now we are going there. That next clip is all about that temple. Let's call it a wrap. That's the end of the video, guys. And now I'm gonna give you some information about this place. It's called Vizag Colony, which is 120 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and it's in Nalgonda district. It's like backwater of the Nagarjuna Sagar. And if you are planning to come here, plan to come early in the morning so that you can spend quality time in the afternoon and the evening, and you can return by the night. And about boating, I have the information of that guy who took us for the boat ride. If you are interested, please ask it in the comments so that I can share that guy's information with you. You can call him and mention that you are my friend or subscriber or whatever it is. So he will tell you when to come so that you can plan accordingly. That's the end. I hope you guys like it. If you like the video, hit the like button and mention in the comments what did you like about it. And if you didn't like it, do the same. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. And thanks to my old subscribers, keep supporting me. I will show you more interesting places like this. Just stay connected with me. That's the only thing which you have to do. This is Sandy signing off. Enjoy every single day.